Are you wondering how much weight you can safely lose in a month? The internet is flooded with extreme diets and quick fixes, but today we're breaking it down with science-backed strategies. Whether you're starting your weight loss journey or looking to fine-tune your approach, this video will guide you toward healthy and sustainable results. Stick around, and by the end, you'll learn the secrets to achieving safe monthly weight loss without risking your health. Safe weight loss isn't about starving yourself or following dangerous trends. According to health experts, losing 1 to 2 pounds per week is considered safe and sustainable. That's about 4 to 8 pounds per month. But why this rate? It helps you preserve muscle mass, maintain a healthy metabolism, and prevent the dreaded yo-yo effect. Slow and steady wins the race when it comes to lasting weight loss. Several factors play a role in how much weight you can lose. Your starting weight, caloric intake, activity levels, metabolism, and even your stress levels all influence your progress. For example, someone with a higher body weight may lose pounds faster initially, while someone with a more active lifestyle burns more calories naturally. It's not just about cutting calories, it's about understanding what works for your body. Experts agree. The key to sustainable weight loss lies in balance. Prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Pair that with regular exercise, both cardio and strength training, for optimal results. And don't forget hydration. Staying hydrated helps control hunger and boosts metabolism. Tracking your progress with a journal or app can keep you motivated. But remember, non-scale victories like better sleep and improved energy are just as important. Crash diets may sound tempting, but they often do more harm than good. Rapid weight loss usually leads to muscle loss, slower metabolism, and nutritional deficiencies. And worst of all, you're likely to regain the weight once the diet ends. Sustainable weight loss is about creating habits that last a lifetime. So skip the quick fixes and focus on long-term health. Ready to start your journey? Here are 5 actionable tips. Set realistic goals. Aim for progress, not perfection. Practice portion control. Smaller plates and mindful eating can make a big difference. Manage stress with activities like yoga or meditation. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can disrupt hunger hormones. Seek support. Whether it's a registered dietitian or a supportive friend, accountability is key. Safe weight loss is about more than numbers on a scale. It's about feeling healthier, stronger, and more confident in your journey. Want to dive deeper into these tips? Check out our full blog post at the link below for more insights and resources to help you achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little inspiration.